Okay guys, karon namin sa supermarket sa Island Mall. Okay? Okay. Okay. I'm here. I want to have a pancit canton. I don't know, maybe it's here. Here.
I was going to use a little bit of your cream cheese right yesterday.
Yeah.
And I opened up the one that was
Open
already
already?
open.
It's
had
rotten. There's no the one like in Koan. It's cheaper, huh? Like the 99 or 135. There's no price. Amonilla. Okay, this one is lunch.
Is that the Geminello?
Yeah. Oh, so this is the luncheon meat.
That's different from this one.
Yeah. Luncheon
But
meat.
I don't know which one is 120. Because this one is 125. I mean 165.
Luncheon meat. Oh, look at luncheon meat. Huh? Sour cream?
Pretty sure they won't have it here.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe they have. Oh. I want to get this one. Okay, all-purpose cream. Condense. Look, wala. Mango. Okay, they do not have the one that I'm looking for. Okay, so maybe we're going over there. Okay. Santo Niño. Here, they do not have, huh? So let's pass here na lang. So let's go over there. Maybe they have sour cream. Oh yeah, where is it? Where's your... Asan yung dog food? Oh, okay, thank you. I'm gonna get a paper plates. Adult. How many one? I'll just get this one, okay.
Make sure I had my card just in case.
Yes.
Double check.
Okay, let's go to the dairy. Maybe they have sour cream. We do not know. Sour cream. Sour cream. I hope they have it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it seems that they do not have it, huh? Yeah, okay. Let's go to the counter now. Chicharon. You want? Oh, okay.